Righto, so we have brought in some bread, which we are kind of frying, toasting, call it what you like, together with the last of the bacon. I don't think we'll be having the eggs. Just before the 4th of July, and it's the end of August. Maybe they're a little bit over. Shall we crack one and have a look? You fancy it? Shall we crack one? No, I ain't doing it. Fuck off. That's going to be minging. I don't know if you can see, but my homegrown lettuce, there's a stem here. Side stem, look. It's had a fucking twin. It's a double header, so we've had that. Like a little gem it is. So here we go. Let's construct this bad boy. We've got a 2 bacon. Just crisping up nicely. Really, really bad camera work. A little bit of brown. Come on. And then on with the top. Fuck me, that's warm. Sorted.